Hello everyone. Question is a company is running applications on Amazon EC2 instances in the same AWS account for several different projects. The company wants to track the infrastructure cost for each of the projects separately. The company must conduct this tracking with the least possible impact to the existing infrastructure and with no additional cost. What should the company do to meet these requirements? Option A. Use a different EC2 instance type for each project. Option B. Publish project-specific custom Amazon CloudWatch metrics for each application. Option C. Deploy EC2 instances for each project in a separate AWS account. Option D. Use cost allocation tags with values that are specific to each project. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following is recommended design principle of the AWS well-architected framework? Option A. Reduce downtime by making infrastructure changes infrequently and in large increments. Option B. Invest the time to configure infrastructure manually. Option C. Learn to improve from operational failures. Option D. Use monolithic application design for centralization. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which of the following is a characteristic of the AWS account root user? Option A. The root user is the only user that can be configured with multi-factor authentication MFA. Option B. The root user is the only user that can access the AWS Management Console. Option C. The root user is the first sign-in identity that is available when an AWS account is created. Option D. The root user has a password that cannot be changed. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company wants to manage access and permissions for its third-party software as a service SaaS applications. The company wants to use a portal where end users can access assigned AWS accounts and AWS cloud applications. Which AWS service should the company use to meet these requirements? Option A. Amazon Cognito. Option B. AWS IAM Identity Center AWS Single Sign-On. Option C. AWS Identity and Access Management IAM. Option D. AWS Directory Service for Microsoft Active Directory. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company is migrating an application that includes an Oracle database to AWS. The company cannot rewrite the application. To which AWS service could the company migrate the database? Option A. Amazon Athena. Option B. Amazon DynamoDB. Option C. Amazon RDS. Option D. Amazon Document DB with MongoDB compatibility. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company is using AWS Lambda functions to build an application. Which tasks are the company's responsibility according to the AWS shared responsibility model? Choose two options. Option A. Patch the servers where the Lambda functions are deployed. Option B. Establish the IAM permissions that define who can run the Lambda functions. Option C. Write the code for the Lambda functions to define the application logic. Option D. Deploy Amazon EC2 instances to support the Lambda functions. Option E. Scale out the Lambda functions when the load increases. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.